Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCodes bi-weekly contest problem, find the substring with maximum cost. In this problem, we are given a string s and a string chars of distinct characters and an integer array vals of same length as chars, and we have to find the minimum cost among all substrings of the string s. And the cost of string is the sum of the values of each character in the substring, and the cost of an empty substring is considered as 0. So if a character's value is given in chars array, then we have to assume that its value is vals I. Otherwise, its value is index of that character. Like if a is not given in my chars string, then value of a will be 1. If b is not in my chars array, then value of b will be 2, and so on. If value of z is not given in chars, then we have to assume that its value is 26. So at the end we have to output what is the maximum cost among all substrings of the string s. So let's see the test cases. So first thing, that this problem is a similar to maximum subarray sum problem, but here each character has some value. Like let's see this test case. In this test case, we are given a string ADAA. And in chars array, we are given value of D equal to minus 1000. So the value of A is not given. So whoever character's value is not given, we have to assume index of that character. So A's value will be 1, B value will be 2. But B is not present in our string, so it doesn't matter. So this is the value of characters which are present in a string. So for the first string A, the value of this string will be value of this character, in which is 1. So the next substring is AD, and the value of this substring or cost of this substring will be value of A plus value of D, which is 1 minus 1000. So this will be minus 999, and similarly the value of ADA will be 1 cost of all these characters. So 1 minus 1000 plus 1. So its value will be 2 minus 1000 means minus 998. Okay. Similarly, the value of this substring AA is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, and this is the maximum cost substring present in this string. So we have to output just 2. So that's all. Let's see the approach of this problem. So by default, if any character is not present in my string, chars string, then its value is assumed to be index of that character. Like if A is not given, then its value is 1, B is not given, then its value is 2, C is not given, then its value is 3, and so on. Z is not given, then its value will be 26. So first of all, I will create a map of char comma int, and I will store this value MP, where I will store MP of A is equal to 1, and similarly MP of Z equal to 26. Then I have given this chars string. I will iterate in each character of this char string, and I will assign that character's value whatever is given in this vals array. Like if you see the second test case, here my chars array is ABC, and values arrays. Wait a second, I will copy this test case. Here my chars array is ABC. So first of all, I will assign each character. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, 4, D is equal to 4, E is equal to 5, and so on. Z is equal to 26. Then I will iterate in this chars string and assign A is equal to minus 1, whatever is given in vals array. So A will be changed to minus 1. So we will erase this and we will do -1. Similarly, B's value is given as -1. So we will erase this and we will say the B's value is -1 in our map. And similarly we will erase C and its value is also given as -1. So we will do this. Then we will check each substring of this string S and see what is the maximum substring value in this string. So that will be our approach. Checking all substring will require O of n square time complexity, which will give TLE because n is up to 10 to power 5. So we have to find the better approach. This problem is similar to a standard problem where we have to find maximum subarray sum using Cadence algorithm. So after creating this map, this problem is very easy. We just have to apply the Cadence algorithm. And what Cadence algorithm says is, like, suppose we convert our strings each character to its map value like this, -1, -1, and D value will be 4. So first of all we will convert our string like A, B, C, D, E, F to its map value like 1, 2, 3, and if D's value is given as D and F value is given as, like, Cas string is this, and my vals array is this. This is my string DF and values are given as, let's say, -1000, -10,000. So I have to find the maximum cost substring. So first of all I will create a map and convert each character's value according to my question. So D's value is given as -1000. So we will place -1000 in array. And E's value is, according to our configuration, E's value is 5. Like, if its value is not given, then we have to assume its index. So E's value is 5. But F value is given, so its value is -10,000. Here, -10,000, okay? Then we just have to find the maximum subarray sum of this given array after converting this string to an array. And we can find this using Cadence algorithm. In Cadence algorithm, what we do, we first make an answer variable where we have to find the maximum subarray sum now. Then we will store here int min. Answer is initially as int min. In question, what we have to find? Maximum cost. So first of all we will declare answer is int min, or we can simply say 0, because empty substring is also allowed. So our answer will be initially 0, because if all values are negative, then I will not pick any of the characters. So answer will be 0, and we will maintain a current sum, current equal to 0. Then what we will do, we will add this value to current. So current will be equal to 1, and it is positive. If it will be negative, like current is less than 0, then I will simply do current equal to 0, because taking negative forward will not be beneficial for us. Like, suppose our array is like this, -3, -2, and 1, 4, 3. So here current will become -3, current equal to -3. But current is less than 0. So taking negative value forward will not maximize our maximum subarray. So we have to leave this. So we will do current equal to 0, because taking negative value forward will not be beneficial for us. Similarly, here we will add -2 to current. So current will again become current equal to -2. Again it is negative, so we will do current equal to 0. Then we will add 1 to it, and current's value will be 1. So, and we will update our answer at each step after adding. So answer equal to max of answer comma current. Then we will add 4 in current. So current value will become 5, and this is maximum, so answer will hold 5. Then again 3. So we will add to current, so current will become 8, and our answer will also be updated as 8. Then suppose if there will be element like -6, then adding 8 minus 6 will give us -2. So if we maximize our answer variable, then it will remain as 8. So this is the simple approach of this problem. So let's see the code for this. The code for this is very simple. Like what I have explained to you, that is the only thing. Let's copy paste the code. And upload it in a better way. Code block here. There it is. Okay, so first what I'm doing is I'm creating the map according to whatever I said to you earlier. I'm creating a map of char where I will initialize each character's value as position. So initially A's value will be 1, then I will do value plus plus, so B's value will become 2, and so on. So initially I'm creating the map. Then I'm iterating in char string and changing the value of that character to val side. Then simply we are doing Cadane's algorithm here in this part. So I will initialize answer as 0 and current as 0, and as the size of string. Then I will do current plus equal to value of this string. And if current will be less than 0, then taking forward will not be beneficial for it. So we will do current equal to 0, and at each step we will do answer equal to maximum of answer comma current. And at the end we will return answer, and it will be the maximum cost substring present in the given substring. So that's all. So let's run this, and it should pass. Yeah, it got accepted. So thank you for watching.